Today's content reveals around Garmin Fenix 8 MicroLED, what you need to know about its delay and high price. The anticipation surrounding the Garmin Fenix 8 MicroLED smartwatch has been palpable among tech enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers alike. With innovative features and advanced technology, this smartwatch promises to redefine the wearable tech landscape. However, recent insider information has revealed delays and a steeper price point than initially expected. In this comprehensive analysis, we'll delve into the reasons behind these developments, the exciting features of the Fenix 8 MicroLED, and what it means for potential buyers. The background of the Fenix line. Garmin has long been synonymous with premium outdoor and fitness wearables. The Fenix series, in particular, has carved a niche as the go-to choice for outdoor adventurers, athletes, and anyone who demands rugged durability and advanced tracking features. From its initial launch, the Fenix series has continuously evolved, integrating new technologies and catering to a wide range of outdoor activities, including hiking, swimming, cycling, and more. The upcoming Garmin Fenix 8 MicroLED is expected to be the most sophisticated model yet, featuring state-of-the-art display technology and enhanced functionalities. However, with innovation often comes challenges, and the latest updates have painted a picture of unforeseen hurdles. Reasons behind the delay: supply chain disruptions. Like many technology companies, Garmin has faced significant supply chain disruptions exacerbated by the global pandemic. Sourcing high-quality components for the Fenix 8 MicroLED has proven to be a challenge, leading to production delays. The demand for advanced components, particularly MicroLED displays, has surged, creating bottlenecks in the manufacturing process. Technical hurdles. The introduction of MicroLED technology in smartwatches is groundbreaking, but not without its complications. Garmin aims to deliver a product that meets the high standards consumers expect from the Fenix series. Engineers have encountered unforeseen technical issues related to power consumption, heat management, and overall display performance. These challenges necessitate rigorous testing and adjustments, which can extend the development timeline. Quality assurance. Garmin's reputation hinges on delivering high-quality, reliable products. To maintain this standard, the company has prioritized thorough quality assurance processes. This means that even minor issues that arise during testing could lead to significant delays. The commitment to ensuring that the Fenix 8 MicroLED meets stringent quality metrics is a central reason for the prolonged release schedule. Market readiness. The wearables market is highly competitive, with brands constantly pushing the envelope in terms of features and pricing. Garmin is acutely aware of the need to launch the Fenix 8 MicroLED when the market is primed for its innovative offerings.